you guys want to be able to add chapters to your YouTube videos that is going to be able to help your viewers find exactly where in the video they need, especially for tutorials. This is extremely helpful. So I'm going to show you guys. So you're going to land on your YouTube page and you're going to want to go ahead and go to manage videos. And this is going to open up all of your videos, and you can do this when you're posting a video, or you can do it after the video is posted. So you can go back and change any of the videos that have already been uploaded. I'm going to demonstrate real quick and show you guys this video right here that I recently add titles to. So I'm going to go to the video, and right here you're going to see chapters and then the little time codes that go with that. So 000 is intro, 010 is the test, 023 is help, and then 025 is more. And these normally are more in depth, but this is just for the demonstration of the video. So if I go to the video right here, you're going to see, once it loads, that there are these little blocks down here that are easily broken up so that you can see. And if I just scroll down to the description and you hit more right here, you're going to see that you see the chapters right here and all these little time codes, as well as the chapters broken up down here. So you can make this look a little bit more fancy by going, oh, chapters, this. But I'm going to show you guys how to do this real quick. So go ahead and jump over to your channel on the video that you want to add chapters to. So I'm going to scroll down to a little bit of an older one. Let's do how to add references to Google Docs. We're going to hit details on the little thing. You're going to go in your description, and you're going to want to add a little segment and just type in chapters for this segment, and you can put like a few bars so that people will see what you're going for. And just for the sake of the video, I'm going to do testing. Now, something to note about these chapters is that whenever you're adding them, you can only add chapters that are 10 seconds or longer. If you do a chapter that's less than 10 seconds, it just won't recognize it. So make sure you're doing chapters that are 10 seconds or longer. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my first one. You always need to start with 00. What YouTube is looking for is the time code and the text that comes after it. So if I say 00 and I say intro, then YouTube is going to recognize that at 00 the intro time code starts until we give it the next one. So in the next one, say I want to put it exactly 23 seconds into the video, and I want to say this is help and information. Then this next time code will be the help and information time code. And then I'm going to add another one, and I want this one to be 47 seconds into the video, and I want this one to be add subtitles. And then for the final one, I just want a quick intro or a little outro block, 58, just making sure it's 10 seconds long, and I'm going to do outro. And then after I've got all of those, what I'm going to do is make sure to click your little save button right here. And you'll click save, and then the video should be saved. And then to test this, to make sure this works, you're just going to want to go up to view on YouTube, click that right there, and it'll open it up, and it should include all of your time codes down here in the description. So I'm going to open up the description. Look, there we go, all the chapters that I added. So we have intro, help information, how to add subtitles, and the outro. And then right here, it looks like we've got little blocks broken up. So we have intro, help and information, and how to add subtitles. So that's pretty much all you need for this video. So if you guys like the video, then please drop a like and please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.